formula is sodium bicarbonate. Its manufacturing or preparation. Baking soda can be prepared by the Solvay process. In the third step, sodium bicarbonate baking soda is obtained in the Solvay process as we discussed earlier. Now we will be discuss properties. Properties of the sodium bicarbonate. The first important property is it is a white crystalline substance that forms an alkaline solution with water. Sodium bicarbonate plus H2O. It gives sodium hydroxide, strong base, and a weak acid, carbonic acid. Second is we use indicator phenolphthalein HPH in the aqueous solution of sodium bicarbonate. Then phenolphthalein gives pink color. With the aqueous solution of sodium bicarbonate, similarly methyl orange MEOH gives reddish pink color. Now, next important property is by the heating of sodium bicarbonate gives sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3, by the removal of CO2 gas. Now we will discuss usage of sodium bicarbonate. First, sodium bicarbonate is used in the manufacturing of baking powder. Baking powder is basically sodium potassium tartrate, that is called Rossel salt. It can be obtained by the reaction of sodium bicarbonate as the following. If we have taken a compound that is this type of, this compound is called potassium tartrate. When it is react with sodium bicarbonate, that is baking soda, in according to simple acid base reaction, it gives a salt, that is HOH COOK. Here is the CHOH COONA plus CO2 plus H2O. This composition, potassium tartrate plus sodium bicarbonate, are termed as baking soda. When we have mixed potassium tartrate and sodium bicarbonate, after reaction it gives a double salt, that is sodium potassium tartrate by the evolution of CO2 gas. Due to the presence of or evolution of this CO2 gas, bakery item, for example cake, becomes fluffy. So for the making of cakes fluffy, using sodium bicarbonate with potassium tartrate. If we have used only sodium bicarbonate NaCO3 in the making of cake, then its aqueous solution HOH gives sodium hydroxide by the evolution of CO2 gas. Then no doubt we can obtain CO2 gas only using by the sodium bicarbonate. But here is the most problem is that the aqueous solution of sodium bicarbonate gives strong base that has a bitter taste. So if we use only sodium bicarbonate in the making of cake, then cake becomes bitter in taste due to the presence of sodium hydroxide. That's why we have used the mixture of sodium bicarbonate and potassium tartrate. Next important use of sodium bicarbonate is it is used in the fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers are special types of fire extinguishers. We can explain of its process by the using of this diagram. We have used a bottle filled with the sodium bicarbonate. This bottle has a outlet this type of by the using of thread, a capillary tube bounded with this thread, and this capillary tube contains H2SO4. When we tilt this bottle, H2SO4 comes out from this test tube and react with sodium bicarbonate. NaCO3 react with H2SO4. It gives sodium sulfate by the evolution of CO2 gas. When the nozzle is drop out, CO2 gas comes from the bottle. Since CO2 gas does not support combustion, a small fire can be put out only by pointing the nozzle towards the fire. So according to the following simple diagram and simple reaction, we have explained that how sodium bicarbonate used in the fire extinguishers.